Alright guys, this is what I want to show you. This is an essential tool when bikepacking, and I only learnt about it probably 2/3 of the way through my last trip down the west coast of the US. This is a can opener. Super lightweight, super small, and you can get them even smaller than this. I picked this one up at REI, but you can get even smaller ones at the army surplus stores. Check out how cool these are. So I've got a tin of beans here. It's as simple as hooking it over the edge. So I got a tin of beans here. It's as simple as hooking it over the edge. Alright, so I got my tin of beans here, and it's easy as clipping this on the edge, puncturing it, and then just working your way around the can. Just like this. There you have it. Super essential for somewhere like the US where most tins don't have the opener already on them. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more like this, leave a comment. Thanks guys.